Hello my friends and welcome back. My name is Hana and today I'm going to do my AmiAmi haul. So if you're curious about what I'm wearing on my face, what I mentioned in today's video and what I'm doing in other pockets of the internet, I always have links in the description box down below. So don't forget to check them out. I believe the figure that I'm talking about today is still available. I just came home from watching the new John Wick Chapter 4 movie, so I guess I will kind of leave that towards the end. I just want to say, like, my makeup has been on all day. This isn't like a fresh face, and maybe you can kind of tell because it is kind of shiny, but I'll talk about the products that I'm using because I'm kind of quite impressed. But that being said, let's talk about my AmiAmi haul because I thought this was the order I got a few weeks ago, but it was actually my Ghost in the Shell garage kit. Here's my AmiAmi box. Like, it's massive, and you would think that I had a huge haul. I didn't. I have one figure in here, and when I saw this big box like in front of my house, I was confused because there you go. I was confused because I didn't think that this was like a giant figure, and then I realized that it's a 1/4 scale. I thought it was a 1/7 scale, but it's not. It's a 1/4. So how I start these videos is I show you the art card that comes with the order. Since this was my February order, this is the February card, and it seems like they're sticking with that kind of hard stock kind of paper. It is very nice. I don't know, sometimes the different images come on different paper, but so far it's been the same all year. I think this is really cute. I like that they're two little bunnies. I don't know, I guess it's very easy to go like red and pink and like chocolate for Valentine's Day, but I like that they did something different, and because it is the year of the rabbit, I get it. It makes sense. It's cute. So let me put that to the side. Today, since I have this one figure, it's so massive. I got the Taiga Aisaka from Toradora. I don't know if you'll even be able to see her. She doesn't have... So this is what the figure looks like. This is like the B version, because there's a version of this where she's wearing a white bunny suit and she has like bunny ears. This one she's actually wearing more of like a, well, it's the same bunny suit, but it's in yellow, and she has tiger ears and a tiger tail. I will insert B-roll, but let me open her up first so then I can see her and give you like my reacts. But while you're looking at B-roll, I am going to open her up so then I can see what she looks like, because I would like to do that. But she's so big. I usually don't get too large of figures. So my Ghost in the Shell figure is actually I believe like a 1/4 scale. Like, that's why it's so massive the way that it is. Or I don't know, what is the exact scale on my, I want to say it's 1/4. Because it's big like this. So I think those two are just going to have to live up here. And I really have to paint this, but it seems like now with spring coming in, I should be able to paint it, but she's absolutely gorgeous. I'm trying to think. I should have a larger order for March because I have quite a number of things coming in March. I have some character goods. I have some apparel. Do I have a figure? I might have a figure. But I have a March order. I have an April order. My May order should be pretty fun. I don't know. I have like orders all the way up until like the end of the year, basically, because I have a problem with anime merch. Okay, so now with the I guess like the AmiAmi part out of the way, this is the part of the video for those of you who like care the parasocial side, I guess. I saw John Wick, and I mean, if you are a fan of the John Wick movies, I think you're gonna like this John Wick movie. If you don't like action movies, I don't think you're just gonna suddenly fall in love with this movie. I think it would be kind of hard to just go in and watch if you haven't seen the other John Wick movies. I can't remember too much detail of John Wick 3, but I loved John Wick 1 and John Wick 2, and I've seen 3. I just don't think I've seen 3 as many times as I've seen 1 and 2. So there were some details in John Wick 4 that I was a little bit fuzzy on, but otherwise, like, I mean, I was able to enjoy it. You kind of just need this basic plot of what John Wick is. But I thought it was really fun. It's funny, Keanu Reeves doesn't have like too many lines in the movie, I guess. I don't know. It was just very interesting because it's like Keanu Reeves just does action, and I know his name is John, but they might as well just call him Keanu at that point. The new characters that they introduced in the movie I think were really great. I thought they were really fun. I don't know, I really liked it, and I haven't been to like the last time I was at a movie theater was to watch The Matrix 4, which is another Keanu Reeves movie. And I didn't have too much of a great time with that one. I have some thoughts and opinions about the fourth Matrix movie that I'm just not that... It's almost like, why do we have this movie? But this is about John Wick. It was really fun. I'm a little disappointed that Fortnite doesn't have John Wick in its shop to purchase, to buy. The last time John Wick apparently was in the shop was March 2022. 2021, I think. I can't remember what Google told me, but I want it to be in the shop again because that would be great. That would be fun. I would enjoy that. But I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. Oh, before I end this video, let's talk about my makeup because I have some new things. I know, broke my no buy. I have some new things. I did get the Glow Recipe Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops. And here's the thing, I don't use a whole lot of this. I use just a small amount, and I put it right in the center of my face and blend it out. And I mean, it looks really good. Like, I don't know, I'm like kind of shiny. I can powder and like blot my face a little bit, I think, to like fix it. But otherwise, like even with this shine, I'm not mad at it. Like my skin just looks good. I have some like little breakouts and things because I mean my retinol and my skincare routine is kind of purging my skin. And you know, I need to be drinking more water. But other than that, like I mean, like I'm not mad about what's going on. I did use the Rose Ink Skin Tint and just my basic concealer, and I'm kind of like sad to wash my face today because I kind of really like the makeup look that I have on right now. So I mean, if you had your eye on that primer, here's my thing. I don't think you need to be spending that much money on a primer. I really don't. I'm almost certain that the amount that you have in here isn't going to like last you too long. I mean, like a little bit literally goes a long way, because if you start using too much, it will peel even if you let it sit for a while. But it's also like an exfoliant because it's a BHA, strawberry BHA pore smoothing, used as a serum or after your skincare routine AM PM. I just use this solely as a primer because I already have the other strawberry drops and I use that in my skincare routine. This paired with sunscreen I think is a good combination for if you're in a pinch. I don't know, like I just don't think this is like the end all be all kind of primer. You do get 1 fluid ounce. So I mean, this could last you a long time because you are using a significant amount less than you would your foundation, but I have to come back to it in some time when I'm done reviewing. I just wanted to shout out today's look, really. Even my lashes, like I think I need to trim them a little bit, or like, I don't know, bend them to like match the shape of my eyelid a little bit better. Like I think I got this one down really well. This one's kind of bothering me, But otherwise, other than that, I'm very happy with today's look. I'm happy with today's haul. Let me know in the comments down below, did you see John Wick? What are some of your thoughts and opinions? Obviously, I've seen it, so you don't have to give me a spoiler warning, but I guess I will give you guys... If you haven't seen John Wick, don't be in the comments down below because I'm sure someone's going to spoil it for you, so... Don't be down there for John Wick if that's what you're going for. Otherwise, let me know. Do you know who Tyga is? Like, I feel like every time I get like a really cute figure like this, it's always of like a girl with like the more like lolly kind of body. And I'm not into the lolly type. I want to have figures of characters that I really love and enjoy and appreciate and are like meaningful to me. Like, I love the manga, I love the anime, and they're like a character that resides with me, you know? So that being said, if you liked hanging out with me today and you want to see more future hauls, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on another video. And I will see you guys in another video coming up this week. I know, I feel like I had a good start and then I was getting crazy with videos, and now I'm just really trying to end the week strong. I have retirement parties like kind of out of the way, and I'm just... I don't know, life always just kind of like sucker punches me and I'm like, God damn it. Anyway, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye. Get away.